Ahoy there, sailors! Here's how you can repair or fix your ship in Windrose. There are two ways for you to repair your ship. The first is using a wharf, and the second are repair kits that allow you to repair your ship while at sea. Now, these two means of repair work differently. If you're repairing via the wharf, just interact with it, and on top of the Manage Ship button on the right is an icon with the ship health percentage, which is actually the Repair Ship button. Just click it, and a new window will pop up, indicating the cost required to repair the ship back to full health. Click Confirm, and this will guarantee a 100% repair for your ship. If you're gonna go with the repair kits, the case goes a bit different. You can craft repair kits on your workbench, and the materials they require depend on the quality of the repair kit. The good thing about these is that you can use these kits to repair your ship while you're at sea, as long as they're in your inventory. To use them, just press the corresponding key they are assigned to on the Quick Use panel on the lower right hand side of the screen. Or you can press Tab and right click on them on your inventory. Just note that you'll have to use more than one repair kit to get your ship back to full health. And taking any damage while doing the repairs will incur penalties, so it's best to use them if you're out of combat or from a safe range. And that's about it on how to repair your ship. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Windrose guides. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next video.